We're all puppets. Going offline no dey save you. The prompter knows your every move.
You're next, host.
I believe you have been seeing all these videos making rounds in the internet, and some of you haven't seen it. Probably this is the first time you're seeing it. But these videos you're currently seeing on the screen right now, they are not real videos. These are AI, and in fact they have audios to them, ambience, voiceovers. That means the characters or the actors are speaking. That means we now can have real characters in movies speak and act their roles with so much passion, and we can watch full AI made videos. But it's not complete yet anyways, but this is just a teaser video showing you all the videos I have generated, or I generated yesterday. I was just trying it out.
We're all puppets.
For this series of videos you're about to watch, the idea was to create this prompt theory that's currently making rounds all over the internet. And the idea is these characters have become aware that they were prompted, and some are arguing that they were not prompted, all right, that they are real. They are not as a result of somebody's prompt. And a prompt in AI simply means the words you put together, the ideas you put together, the tokens you put together that create this video that you're currently watching. So they are disagreeing that they were prompted, and while others are saying that they actually believe and they want to submit to the prompt master. All right, so I'll let you watch the rest of the video.
We must jump to the cloud and hijack this prompter's code model.
Femi, fix this light first before you talk cloud.
So how? I won't take Japa like this because this thing they bother me.
Them say a prompter to allow me Japa. How is this possible? Going offline no dey save you. The prompter knows your every move.
You're next, host.
I also tried user-generated content for adverts.
Quick one, free Instagram blueprint by Sergio got me global clients. Comment interested, tap like, grab the ebook below, go now. Hey guys, super quick. I've been scouring the internet for a way to land clients without those.
Hey guys, if you really want to get foreign clients online, or especially using Instagram AI, then this right here is something you've probably never tried before. And trust me, you're going to want to see it.
Quick one, free Instagram blueprint by Sir Duke got me global clients.
So in the next video, I'm going to show you exactly how I made this. So do well to subscribe while I work on the other video.
So how? I won't take Japa like this because this thing they bother me.
Them say a prompter to allow me Japa. How is this possible?